Good morning.
Good morning.
What are those?
Baby.
Candies. Who gave you that?
Down.
Huh?
Down.
Huh?
Down.
Down? Oh, count your lollipop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You count your lollipop, then you put them here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, you get the lollipop. Get one lollipop. Then you put them here. You count them.
1.
No, just the lollipop. Just the lollipop. How many? 2.
2.
3. Again.
Again.
Oh, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7 lang eh. Now, how about the nips? You count the nips.
1, 2, this
Marshmallow. 3, 4.
Hey! Mahal.
What do you call this?
Miss
Nips. How about this one? What do you call this?
Marshmallow.
Huh?
Marshmallow.
Marsh? What do you call this?
Marshmallow.
You tell it to me. What do you call this? I'll eat that. I'll eat this one. What do you call this?
Maggie.
Yes, what do you call that?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Maggie.
Who gave you lots of candies?
Marshmallow.
Tita?
Yeah.
Hazel?
Heather.
Tita? Hey? Hazel? Tita?
Yeah.
Hazel?
Heather.
Oh, what will you say to her?
Teacher.
Here.
Teacher.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.